Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, after jumping back above our 8-day a couple days ago, leading into CPI, mentioning that we could possibly rally leading into CPI. And as you guys can see, again, respecting our 8-day yesterday, exactly bouncing off of our 8-day with our wick here from yesterday's video. Now gapping up to CPI coming out lower than expected. A very nice gap up just into our 448 resistance that we were looking for to the upside. Again, mentioning 447.50 as that very key level. If you guys do remember, last year 447.50 was multiple times a very key level that we had multiple rejections from. Again, a major sell-off before on a play that we actually had last February here. So now, are we going to continue on higher? What exactly has to happen? Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, today's runner of the day out the gate here on a pullback, testing our 5-minute moving average here, and as you guys can see, a very nice spike out the gate, continued on above pre-market high that we did mention, a very nice continuation with SOPA. Yesterday's runner of the day, an amazing run with ELOX, also mentioning ELOX this morning out the gate, a nice continuation on a bounce. However, yesterday's run that we did mention here was from $5.98. Pre-market high continued on all the way up to $9.88 on the day. Again, an insane breakout that we mentioned. One of many volatile movers that we mentioned throughout the week. Go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Again, gapping up after respecting and continuing to respect our 8-day from prior as we were leading into CPI. Now gapping up to a lower than expected CPI. We have one very key level here that we will be keeping an eye on, that is here at 444, our level that we were looking to see if we can break past. Going into tomorrow, what we want to see is proof of concept that we are going to continue on higher. If we continue to gap up, in my opinion, our key resistance here will be at 450. Again, this is the upper end of our wick that we had before getting a major rejection. As you guys can see, multiple rejections here that we had here exactly at 450. So keep an eye on 450. And if we happen to have a pullback, dropping back below 447.50, in my opinion, surely is that short play that you would be looking for intraday to possibly pull back into. So again, if we continued on a gap up, we possibly got a rejection candle, drop down back below 447.50, then we have that short-term momentum to the downside here, in my opinion. But if we do continue on higher here, what I want to see is that proof of concept, continue to respect our 8-day, even if we have a spike, a continuation on higher at 450, a pullback here, we want that proof of concept to continue on above 450 here, now that we are just below resistance. So again, that's what we're looking for. Now looking at our weekly chart, as we sit just below resistance, sitting on a major gap up, still closing this candle on the week. We definitely are cautious to the downside, but we definitely want to see a continuation on holding that 444 level that we just broke today. So again, as long as we continue to hold 444, in my opinion, we continue bullish. As we have our 8-weekly moving average curling up here, we can assume any possible retest that would be coming leading into the next couple weeks. But if we do continue to gap up here, we can simply look for any possible pullback, and that is another buy the dip opportunity, of course, on that proof of concept. So again, that's what we're looking for here, is any proof of concept on a rejection at 450 intraday, or if we possibly continue on with this momentum, what we want to see here is our 12 crossing back above our 26 as we sit just below our 26 here, looking for that increase in buy pressure as we have very little buy pressure coming in, looking for that possible overextended play. So again, that's what we're looking for from here, our 12 crossing back above our 26 if we want to see that continuation on momentum here and continue to respect our 8-day curling up here. So that's what we're looking for from here. Again, simply cautious as we sit on a major gap up here, a nice continuation on respecting our 8-day that we were looking for the last couple days. Now very cautious, looking for proof of concept higher or lower here. We'll see exactly what happens. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers, again, like we mentioned with SOPA today, ELOX yesterday, major runners that we mention every single day in the Instables room at very key levels you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. A nice run out the gate with SOPA. Very nice runs this morning in pre-market, on news. Again, continuing to take what the market gives us as we have been. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.